Hello guys. This is your trade once more. So this is like real value at no cost. So this is the monthly on the S&P 500. So we're gonna give out a weekly analysis. Basically, because the month is over now, you need a monthly analysis. So there's a level, there's that level. We're measuring this week from here up to its high. And there's there. And then let's do it again here. There we go. Okay, there we go. So also it's high. There we go. There we go. So when we opened while we're here, opening here and going up there, these were all premium weeks. This was a premium week. So these were premium levels, all of these, right? So let's just say this is the rejection block, RB, and this is 0.25, right? And then, okay, let's delete there. That's half, 0.5 of the week, this week. And this is 0.75. Okay. So now we're gonna go to the weekly. Let's go to the monthly once more. I think this are not visible on the weekly. Let's see. Yes, invisible should be there. Should be there in the weeks. Because we're gonna make a nice weekly analysis, right? I'm gonna do that now. There we go. That's the high of it there. Let's just do that. That's the high. High. It's a high, right? Of a week. So that's the monthly time frame here. So I'm gonna drop to the lower one. Ooh, the so this is the weekly time frame. Even if we put this there for a bit, we can see that after January, looking at these are 2 weeks within this just January week here. We're trying to get in there, we can't. So immediately you can see that we wanna go there, we can't. We wanna go in there, but we can't, right? We are rejecting these prices here, right? That's one signature that we have here. So if you go on the month, you see this is January. So if you go again there in the weekly, you see that January month ends with this week here, with this week here. So February, first week, we try, we fail to go. We try to go up, we fail, right? Not even one candlestick can close with like in this from this range low to range high here. So this is the week that we created on the monthly. Not even one candlestick here can close in there. Why? It's weak. This one can't even get close to here. The rejection block here on the monthly can't even do that. This one goes there, touches the rejection block, closes below it. It's weak, guys. It wants to fall. Now I'm gonna pull back what? This, right? Volume imbalance here on the weekly. You see the volume imbalance is here. So what's happening here? These candlesticks here, as much as they went up there with wicks, up there with the wick, the bodies are remaining within this volume imbalance here, right? That is telling us it's being respected. The next candlestick goes outside again, but closes way below the volume imbalance, right? That's weak. And the next candle goes up after hitting this week, this week, 0.75 of that wick. This one, after hitting it, goes up once more last week, goes, can't close anywhere near here, or any candlestick, closes way lower. So that is telling us it's weak. It's weak. It wants to fall. It wants to fall. And this one here is a critical high here. This one. See this high here. Here. It's a critical high here. This one. It's a critical high. It's a critical high. But basically, all I'm seeing here is weakness. If I was you, I was gonna ignore all buys, but this is not financial advice. So technically, what we're looking at is just bearishness here. Take these lows here, eventually take this low too. So can we get something like that big? Yes, we can. Yeah, given also the war that's happening right now and stuff like that. So we can get something like this big, right? Let's just you can get something like this big. Yeah, so what we see here is all sell side liquidity, sell side, right? Sell side liquidity. So we need to take these people out. We can make that a bit orange. So that's a weekly thing. So we're gonna anticipate all selling, guys. All selling here. All. We're gonna anticipate all selling. Sell side. We're gonna look for areas of sell side. So let's just look for selling here on the S&P. On the daily, look to take this low here, this low here, this low here. Go lower with it. Volume imbalance there. Eventually take this low there. So let's just look for bearishness here. Bearishness. Okay. This is the S&P 500. It's looking bearish for me. Don't see anything bullish here. There's a, we zoom in here, this volume balance here. So we are there now. We are just here. If the market decides to open on a drop, on a gap that's lower like than this, like somewhere here, it could choose to open somewhere there because of the war thing. If something like that does happen, like something like this here, closed, open there. So it could be there, opening somewhere here. Then we'd like to see this one as there's a runaway gap. Even though as you can see here, sort of a no trading at all. But in any case, we'd like to have a fair value gap that remains open, right? As a runaway gap, breakaway gap type of thing. So we're just gonna be looking to sell, 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 sell. Sell, buddy. So bearish on the S&P 500, guys.